Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can simply go ahead and delete your Bigo account permanently. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay we're simply going to go ahead and step into our video. So for that, what you're going to do, you're going to access a particular Bigo live app on your mobile phone. Once you have done so, simply going to go ahead and skip this ad, and this kind of a home section will appear. Right afterwards, tap on this profile icon given in the lower right corner of the section, and you can scroll down and tap on this help and feedback. Once you have tapped on it, this will show you all kind of help topics, including this option called account. Go ahead, tap on it, and now you're going to go ahead, tap on this option called how to delete my Bigo account, and tap on this I want delete account, this in the light green text, and tap on this next option. You have to verify yourself, and now you're gonna go ahead, tap on this confirm and continue over here, and again tap on this delete account option given below. Tap on this delete account again, and tap on this I have agreed, tap on delete account, and again you have to confirm for the matter. And now the account has been deleted. You can see now we will see this option called login and use other account, and that means your account has been simply deleted right over there. So that is how you can do it. Hope this video was helpful to you all. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in our next video.